Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve a set of the day, and I would request you not to forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let us move towards our question. Okay, so it says that Mr. Raj Kapoor, an anthropologist who is doing a project on racial features, observed that in his class of 130 students, 60 students had black eyes, 50 students had aquiline nose, and 45 students had a broad forehead, and 90 students had exactly one of the three features. Okay, so it's a classic Venn diagram question. So let us make a diagram. Okay, what do we have here is black eyes, aquiline nose, and we have, sorry guys, and we have what? Broad forehead. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, now the total number for black eyes is given to be 60, aquiline nose is given to be 50. Sorry, it is given to be 50, whereas the broad forehead is given to be equal to 45. Okay, then what we have been given, we have been given that this is, let's say this is A, B, and C. Okay, and there's a N. Okay, now what we have been given over here is that A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C is equal to 90. A plus B plus C has been given as equal to 90. Okay, also the total students have been given equal to 130. Cool. Chalo. Let us move ahead. Okay, now what we can say is, let the number of students with exactly two features, okay, two features is equal to X and three features is equal to Y. Okay, two features is equal to X, three features is equal to Y. Okay, chalo. Now what do we have here is, that 60 plus 50 plus 45, that is total. And from this, what you will do is you will subtract 2x and you will subtract 3y. Why will you do that? Because in 60, 50, and 45, the number of people who had twice double features were included twice, right? Let's say between BE and BF, there were some people. So whatever will be written, the number over here, they will be included twice. Okay, so you'll be removing them from there. Okay, and you will be removing the thrice wala people also. And this statement would be equal to, this equation would be equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, this equation would be equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, now this gives us what? This gives us only one. Okay, this gives us only one. Now from the here, what do we get? If you solve it, if you actually solve it, you take A plus B plus C is equal to 90. And if you solve it, what do you get is, you get 3x plus 2y is equal to 65. So what do we get? 3x plus 2y is equal to 65. Okay, chalo. Let us move ahead. Okay, so now let's move towards the questions. So the first question says that what is the maximum possible number of students who had at least two of the three features? Okay, now we know the sum of two features and three features. Okay, and it says that maximum possible number of students. Okay, now you cannot state that to be 65. Okay, because 65 include twice counting of these people and thrice counting of these people. Okay, so what do we actually have to calculate? We have to calculate x plus y. Why do we have to calculate x plus y? Is because at least two of the three features, that means two features are included and three features are included. So what is the total number of students? They are x plus y. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to find the maximum value of x plus y. Okay, now if you have to find the maximum value of x plus y, what you will have to do is you will have to maximize x. Okay, why do we have to maximize x? Because if you maximize y, the quantity increment would be in the multiple of 3. Okay, whereas what do we have to do? We have to maximize it. So what we'll do is we'll take x to be the maximum, so that the number of people who are counted thrice in this 65 is the lowest. Okay, so if you go ahead with that, what you will find is, by calculation, what you will find is that the maximum value of x would go up till 31, whereas the minimum value of y in that case would be equal to 1. Okay, so the total sum of x plus y comes out to be what? 32. So the correct answer for the first question is 32. Okay, chalo. Now let us move towards the second question. Now what does the second question tells us? It says that what is the maximum number of people, students who had none of the three features. Okay, so it is talking about none of the three features. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to maximize the people who have none of the three features. Okay, we know that people with one feature is A plus B plus C, and that is 90. Okay, we already know that over here. Okay, we know the total number of people, but still what we do not know is what is the number of people who have two features or three features. Okay, now The total of 130, how do we get it? We get it by a plus b plus c, right? A plus b plus c plus x plus y, okay, plus n. Now we know this is fixed, this is to be 90, okay, and we have to maximize the value of n. So what will we do? What we'll do is, to get the maximum value of n, what we'll do is we'll try to minimize the value of x plus y. Okay, we'll try to minimize the value of x plus y. So when you're trying to minimize the value of x plus y, you know that 2x plus 3y is equal to 65. And we have to minimize x plus y. What you will do is you will maximize the number of people with 3 features. Why? Because whenever you take the number of people who have 3 features, whenever you increase it to the highest limit, okay, the total number of people will be reduced because of this equation that we have. Okay, so by observation, by calculating, what do we get? The maximum value of y can be 21. Okay, and in that case, the value of x would turn out to be 1. And in that case, x plus y turns out to be 22. Okay, x plus y turn out to be 22. So this will be 90 plus x plus y, that is 22. Okay, plus n is equal to 130 is what we get. Solving from here, for n, what do we get? We get the value of n to be 18. So correct answer for this question is going to be 18. Okay, guys. Chalo. Let us move towards the third question. What does the third question tells us? The third question says that what is the maximum possible number of students who had an aquiline nose but had neither black eyes nor a broad forehead? So basically it is asking the value of maximum possible value of only aquiline nose, that is they are asking for the value of C. Okay. Acha. Now if you see, this is one equation that we have to satisfy. Otherwise what we could have done is we might have taken this to be equal to 50. Okay, but that is not possible. Why is it not possible? Because there have to be some people who have to at least, because there are people who are definitely going to have 3 features. Okay, because only by using 2x is equal to 65, that is not possible. That means definitely y is equal to 1 or maybe more than 1, we do not know that, but definitely it is equal to 1. Okay, that is certain. It can be more than 1, but minimum it has to be the obtain the value of 1. Okay, acha. Now because what we have to do is we have to maximize the value of C. What we have to do is we have to maximize the value of C. So what will we do is, that, and now we know because y has minimum value to be 1, what we'll do is we'll try to minimize the number of people having 3 features. All right, we'll try to minimize the number of people having 3 features, and for that we have already calculated in the first question. We get, when we are minimizing the number of people who have 3 features, we get y is equal to 1, and in that case x is equal to 31 is obtained. Okay, so this is the condition that we'll begin with. So y is taken as 1. Okay, now x is equal to 31. What we can do is, because we have to maximize the value of an, what we can do is we can take these both as 0 and take 31 over here. We can take 31 over here. Okay, and we see that it satisfies the condition. So that means what we can take the value of C to be 49. That is the maximum value that we can take, because this one had to be there. Okay, this 31 we were able to transfer only into BE and BF, so that these two values we got out to be 0. So with that case, the maximum value of C turns out to be 49, and the answer for the third question is 49. Okay, so hope you have understood this maximum minima set. And for CAT course, you can WhatsApp us on 8447296249, or you can visit the www.catway.in. So hope you have understood the set well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.